Hi, what's going on guys? It's Anna Fan again and welcome back to techaply. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Are you having a problem with projecting to this PC on your laptop Windows 10? Is it grayed out and you want to have it back in? Don't worry, this video probably will help you with that. So, let's get started. First, go to Settings on your laptop Windows by navigating to the Starting Center. Click to choose Settings. Next, go to System Settings. Here, scroll it down and choose Project to this PC. Notice here that my laptop is currently on Windows 10 Home version 20H2. Therefore, click on that optional feature. Next, click on Add an additional feature. On the list, scroll down and choose Wireless Display. Select to have it installed. After that, go back to the projecting to this PC page and hopefully it's now not grayed out anymore. Now you can start projecting your Android phone to this PC already. And that's it for today's quick fix guide. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.